Hey, what's up, guys? This is Abdul here with Enthusiast Trader. Today is September 27th, and I will be discussing the trades that I took on Friday, which was September 25th, and also the trades that I'm interested in taking on September 28th. That is, of course, pending market conditions. Well, let's get right into it. So we see the SPYs and the Qs, they really bounced off this the support here at 319 area. Uh, we saw that that was a previous resistance. Now, resistance here, around, right here, and now that kind of became support, and hopefully we will start moving higher because this was a very potent and a strong move. um, Similar to the Qs are all also bounced off that support area of 261, which was previously resistance, and now we're looking to head higher. um, so let's review my open positions right now, or the trades that I took on Friday rather. uh, there were three three trades that I took. The first being Baba. I shorted Baba here on the 5 minute, on this breakdown. I shorted at 265.68, looking for this to make a move lower, but then it came against me, so I got stopped out for a $30 loss. The next one was Triple BY long. I got this in 1436, um, somewhere around here, um, and then I got out at 1439. I guess I had raised my stop loss, so that took me out. Next one was OPCH. I really like this daily chart. I got this breakout of 1225. I got in at 1225, which was right here, and then it kind of went up, but came down, but then went up in my favor. I got out at 1237, but in hindsight, I should have held it. This still looks good, ROC over 0, and then this looks good to make a move higher. So this is one of my watches for Monday, OPCH. Next one that I took was Workhorse, WKHS. This was showing relative strength in the market. I got in at 2407, somewhere here when I pulled back, and then it made a move nicely in my favor, 25.65. But then I held on to it, hoping for this to make a move higher. But the target was 27 actually on this, so I did not get full target, but I got out at 24.52, somewhere around here, because it was a day trade and I did not want to hold my position. All right. With that being said, those were the only day trades that I took. The swing trade that I entered was Cross on Friday. I liked how this was, a descending uh, wedge, and I got this on this break of 62.50. 62.50. Now it has moved nicely in my favor. I think if this can break 63.30 on Monday, this can easily make a move higher to 65.68. Cross again looks very strong, so I am holding on to Cross. I have quite a few. Oh, the one that I closed was PRTY. PRTY was a real bummer. I got in on this break of 325. It moved nicely in my favor at 360, but then it closed lower, and then it gapped down and closed really low, and then I got out at 280. So Party, I should have booked profits on that, but I didn't. My position that I've been holding for a while now, since the beginning of September, is Apple. Apple is at 114 that I'm holding, but again, this looks really strong. Hopefully, this breaks here. I'm looking for this to continue to go higher. Uh, Next up is Amazon. Amazon also holding since September 3rd. Um, If the RSI can get over 0, I think this can make a move higher. But uh, and I'm at 3,200 on Amazon as my entry. Uh, Next up, I have UPS. UPS is really moving nicely in my favor. All this sideways consolidation, guys, this is really, really good. Hugging the ROC of 0, and now showing some relative strength, this can really, move up nicely. So I am holding on, and earnings coming up on in October. This can, make moves. I got in at 163, holding currently. Uh, Next up is LOW. Got in at 170. This is not looking too hot, but it's holding the 50-day period moving average, and I'm, hopeful with the market bounce, this can start going higher. Next up, I'm holding is RH. RH also, I kind of got in very high at 385. Um, I shouldn't have, because the ROC was extended, but now it's, it has come down to, close to 8. So again, this can come down to 330, which I'm going to be still holding, or rather adding. But this, if this could, reverse, this looks very potent. So you see this downward wedge right here. If this can hold this, if this can hold this, um, or if it can break it, then I'm looking for this to make a move higher. Next up, I'm holding is LEN. LEN also, I got on this break, this peekaboo right here over 80 bucks. That's where I got in, but then ever since then it has not looked good, but it's still holding the 50 period moving average, so I am holding this one as well. SE, I am at 150.75. I got in somewhere here. This is looking really strong, breaking over 0 ROC, and I am holding on. Next up is DE. D is also looking really strong. All the similar to UPS, all the sideways consolidation, looking for this to make a move higher. Crux we already talked about. Now, the ones I'm interested in for Monday is Semi. Semi really put in a nice move, moving above ROC of 0. If this could get above 480, I want this to clear 480, or this high 489. So above 4, like if it could get here above 495, close to $5, I'm interested in for this to make a move higher to at least 540. I will get in a half or 3/4 position at 480, and then I'll go full at $5, if that makes sense. Next up, we already talked about OPCH. OPCH had a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful candle on Monday, or Friday rather, and this is looking to go to the 200 period moving average, which is at 1330. Next up is RBA. I like how it consolidated here for the entire month of September. It really didn't sell off. Now it is heading towards ROC 0. So if this can break this $59, and I'm interested in for this to go back to 63 bucks. Next up is HOLX. I like the I like how this also sideways consolidated, and if this could break the $64, this can make a move higher. STNE, I traded this couple times. I got it here at 53, went up, but then gapped down against me. But now it's all this sideways consolidation is looking for this to it's looking good to make a move higher. Uh, my favorite watch for Monday is McDonald's. McDonald's has McDonald's is really nice here. All its consolidation. I am a buyer here if the market doesn't gap down. I'm a buyer of McDonald's over this 218.30 area, 218.20. So the two favorite ideas are semi, CMI, and MCD for Monday. All right, guys, that's it. Please let me know if you enjoy my videos in the comments section, and also if you'd like to join our Discord channel, leave a comment below. I'll send you a link to our Discord channel. And if you have not subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up or a like button. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow.